Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well and staying safe. We have already learned small friend concept, how and when we can apply the small friend formulas for addition and subtraction on Abacus. After learning each concept, what we should do? We should practice the worksheets to be more thorough in that concept, which is very important. So in this video, we will be revising small friend concept and also practicing some exercises based on all the small friend formulas, and also I will provide some more worksheets for your practice. So keep watching this video till the end. So what is small friends? Small friends are the numbers which we add up to a total of 5. Suppose if we add 4 and 1, we get 5. So 4 and 1 are the small friend of each other. Like this, we add 3 and 2, we get 5. So 3 and 2 are the small friend of each other. If we add 2 and 3, also we get 5. So 2 and 3 are the small friend of each other. Like this, 1 and 4 are the small friend of each other. When we can apply these small friend formulas? If we want to add 1, 2, 3 and 4, but we can't add or subtract directly to a particular number, in that situations we can take the help of these formulas. I have uploaded about each and every small friend formulas in details. The link is in description box. You can check out that video later. Here is your revision exercise 1. Here we have 10 examples. Out of 10 examples, in some cases we need to apply only one formula. In some cases we need to apply more than one formula. My tool is now set for the calculation. No bits are touching to the answering bar. Now we can start our calculation. Our first example is 4 plus 1 minus 4. 4 plus 1 is plus 5 minus 4. Next is minus 4. Minus 4 is minus 5 plus 1. Answer is 1. Coming to the next example, that is 8 minus 4 plus 2. 8 minus 4 is minus 5 plus 1, then plus 2. Plus 2 is plus 5 minus 3. Answer is 6. First two examples we applied two formulas each, right? Now let us solve the third question, that is 4 plus 4 minus 4. 4 plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1, then minus 4. Minus 4 is minus 5 plus 1. Answer is 4. Next example, that is 2 plus 3 minus 4. 2 plus 3 is plus 5 minus 2, then minus 4. Minus 4 is minus 5 plus 1. Answer is 1. Our next example is 5 minus 4 plus 4. 5 minus 4 is minus 5 plus 1, then plus 4. Plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1. Answer is 5. Next question is 5 minus 1 plus 5. So 5 minus 1 is minus 5 plus 4, then plus 5. Answer is 9. Next question is 6 minus 2 minus 3. 6 minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3, then minus 3. Answer is 1. Coming to the next question, that is 35 minus 5 plus 3 plus 3. 35 minus 5 plus 3, next is plus 3. Plus 3 is plus 5 minus 2. Answer is 36. Coming to the next question, that is 59 minus 5 plus 1. 59 minus 5 plus 1 is plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 55. Last example is 76 minus 2 minus 3. 76 minus 2 is minus 5 plus 3, then minus 3. Answer is 71. Here we have done with your exercise 1. Here is your revision exercise 2. You can take the screenshot of it or you can note down on your notebook and practice it later. Here is your revision exercise 3. Take the screenshot of it and save it for practice later. If you face any difficulty in solving it, let me know in the comment. I will definitely help you out. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.